Now that your template is set up, you're ready to send and track your document. Select the Use This Template button in the top right corner. Assign your recipients to the roles you created earlier and add in their information. Hit Continue. You'll want to first make sure the variables are filled in correctly and the fields are assigned to the correct role. Remember that pricing table you built? Well, now is your chance to add products and customize amounts and enable optional items too. Scroll through and make sure everything looks good. Once you're ready to send, decide if you'd prefer to send it via email, via a unique link, or in person. If you send via email, you want to make sure you update the name of your document that's more specific to your recipient. Write a short message to the recipient, then hit send. Now the document is in sent mode, and the status will change when your recipient opens and interacts with the document. On the right-hand side, you can take a look at your document analytics and look at things like number of times viewed, total time spent viewing, when it was last viewed, and page insights to see where they spent the most or least time. Let's stop for a moment to emphasize why this tracking matters. These proposal analytics let you observe your prospects' engagement levels to make sure you take the right steps. Are they engaged? Are they stuck on a certain page? Or are they completely ignoring you? And when you receive automated notifications the moment your document opened and completed, you'll know exactly when and how to follow up. Now, if you're wondering what your recipient sees when they open the document, well, here's what it looks like. They can scroll through the document, interact with the pricing table, and then sign. Once signed by all parties, the status changes to completed. And finally, if you want to check to see what proposals have or haven't been completed by your customers, you can find them here on your PandaDoc home screen. Well, folks, there you have it.